We will respond to the housing crisis, we will tackle the climate emergency, and we will proceed with the digitalisation of our economy and our public services. We will invest substantially and strategically in education, from primary level right through to advanced research and innovation. The newly formed Department of Further and Higher Education, Research, Innovation and Science will be a key enabler. The plan's focus on investment in education will renew what I believe to be the single biggest enabler of progress and prosperity in our country. We will enable the transformation of our health service, delivering the investment framework necessary for the implementation of Sláinte Care. Unprecedented in scale, this plan will see investment of 165 billion out to 2030. It will drive the next phase of our post-pandemic recovery and will create thousands of jobs in the construction sector. It will invest in our people and our infrastructure to deliver growth that is regionally balanced with strong regional cities. It sets a pathway to improve the lives of our citizens, our economy and our environment, allowing our nation to continue to compete on the global stage. It is the largest and most environmentally conscious national development plan in the history of the state. And it will deliver on our goal to build an Irish state that measures success not only by our economic growth, but by our well-being as a people.